Hi friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we'll do a 13-minute vocal warm-up. It's the green one to help you keep track. If you're looking for longer or shorter vocal warm-ups, I have lots of other vocal warm-ups and exercise videos on my channel that you can check out. Let's start with a moment of attention to alignment and breathing. As you reconnect with your natural, low breath, release any tension that isn't serving you well. Let's sing on a zh sound. We'll start with zh. Here we go. Focusing now on engagement and onset. We're going to sing on E, like E, 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 go. E, 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 Let's sing up and down a pentascale on a lip trill, like. Now, if that lip trill doesn't work for you, consider trying it on a hum or a v sound. Here we go. Returning to the breath, let's sing hum-ma-ma-ma, like hum-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma-ma. We can slightly exaggerate that initial onset as we work on breath and phonation coordination. Here we go. sing E-A, E-A. These bright vowels encourage vocal fold closure. While we're not looking for a pretty sound right here, we do want to make sure we aren't adding any undue tension, especially in the jaw and neck. Let's sigh down. Bringing in the feeling of a sigh, let's sing sa. Here we go. Sa. Connecting breath, energy, and coordination, let's try Z, E, E, A, A. Here we go. Z, E, E, A, A. 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 Working now on negotiation between registers, we'll sing on do. It sounds like this. Do, 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 do. Notice the breath pattern will take frequent breaths in between each pair of notes. Here we go. Do, 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 This next exercise combines breath engagement with range. We will sing, "How cool am I?" Use that k sound to propel the first interval. This is a great exercise to add some movement so we don't overthink the initial jump, like, "How cool am I?" or "How cool am I?" Here we go. How cool am I? 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 Finally, let's do a bit more range extension as we sing, "Oh, how I love to sing." Do your best to let go of any judgment and just let your vocal cords experience vibrating freely. Here we go. Oh, how I love to sing. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me today. With us. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider doing just that. It helps more people find my videos, and it helps you keep track of all of my latest, especially when you hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time! Thank you, Olaf.